dito?
No, actually, it's my first time going here in the biggest IKEA store in the world. Of the universe, rather.
Ay, but wait, how do you find the entrance ba?
Well, I find it lovely. But I don't know where.
Lovely nga naman,
Yeah.
no? Pero paano ba tayo papasok dito? Ibig ko sabihin. Nag-waste ka ba?
Hi there.
Hindi
Good
eh.
afternoon.
Hi!
How can I help you?
Yes, actually, we just want to find out how to go in.
Yeah.
That's very easy. Just follow me, please.
Okay,
Thank you,
sure.
bongga.
Perfect.
There's two ways of entering the store. First, if you come with the public transport or you commute or you park in the Mall of Asia, then we would use this bridge here, which is leading from the mall to the IKEA building. Or you park in this building. We have two park decks here. And then you would have either escalators or 4 elevators to bring you up to the level 4 to the place of happiness.
Happiness!
Thank you so much. Let's go. Let's shop.
Yeah, let's go!
Excuse me, do
Yes?
you already have your booking?
Oh, can't we just sneak in na lang?
No, I'm sorry, I'm afraid. You know, no booking, no shopping.
Oh, no booking, no shopping?
Exactly, exactly. You know, in order to provide a very safe environment for our customers, we need to work with a booking tool. So everybody who is interested should book a slot online. And then with this slot, you can come, you get a QR code, and then you have a safe place to shop and enjoy a very convenient day here in the store.
Oh, that's for safety, right,
For our
Bianca?
own good. How do we get a booking?
Very simple. You just visit www.ikea.ph. There you will find all the instructions. You just follow them step by step, and it's very easy. There's also the family membership. So those who have a family membership can already earn points while shopping.
Wait, George, I want to ask, what's IKEA family?
Now, IKEA Family is our very own loyalty club. A club everybody can sign up, lifetime membership for free, and it's connected to a lot of different benefits and discounts. So you would get your individual membership number. Every time you come, you show the card when you shop, and you also collect points, which you can then one day turn into other benefits again.
Points, benefits, discounts.
Before we go in, we also need to make sure that we wear the face masks. No. Also keep the necessary 1 meter distance to anybody around you, and please sanitize your hands regularly. So we have actually provided a lot of stations. Thank you very much.
Yay! Now that we have our booking, we are almost ready to go inside the store.
Yes, that's right, Bianca. I'm so excited too. Shop, shop, shop!
Ay, may mga balak si Auntie. Pero syempre, bago tayo pumasok, let us remind everyone of what they need to know before going inside the store.
Yes, always practice safety and wear your face mask.
Yes, and remember that the main entrance is here by the MOA Bridgeway.
And syempre, no
No
booking,
booking,
no
no
shopping! Ano, Bianca, let's go na?
Yes, tara!
Let's go inside!